Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle, which is pretty handy. Allows you to have easier access to your bed. And you do get a Bedliner with this vehicle. You get lights, hooks, and doodads. You get 120 volt right there. Measurements on your tailgate. And the tailgate is also powered, so it will go up and down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff with your hands and you want to lift up the gate, you can just knee it up and it will go up automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front, platform gripped running boards, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicator, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we get a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders and storage, rear vents, USB-Cs with heated back seats, 120 volt. You can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 37 kilometers. We get this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got our gear selected as collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets. It does close. You do get an interior work surface with this vehicle. You put your paperwork here, your food, your laptop, all up to you with your normal storage underneath. You do get your drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, park sensing you can turn on or off, and we do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazards traction, 360 view of the vehicle, and for your audio you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone, navigation, fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps we may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC00652, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.